How to use Vlookup in Google Sheets. Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, let's go step by step in order to do that. Vlookup is used to search for a value in one column and return a value from another column in the same row. So let's get started. We can start by preparing our data in Google Sheets. We go over and open it up, this one right here, for example, and open up the document with the data. For example, something like this, you would like to have, you want to find the score for a given ID. You can just go and look out for it. And in order to look out for the VLOOK, what we need to do is we need to use the VLOOK formula. The formula format is something like this. When you type in is equal to and type in VLOOK, it will directly give you a formula. Once you put in a bracket, you can just go over and type in the search key, the range number, the index, and is sorted. So for the search key, you can just go over and take the value that you want to look for example 102. After that, what you can do is you can just go over and type in comma, and let's type in number instead. So type in 102 comma. After that, the next thing is you need to choose up which table that you want to search for. For example, 102, this 2 table. So you can select it up. After that, you can just go over and type in comma once again. And the next value we need to do is we need to type in index, the column number in the range that has the value that you want to return. For example, 3. So you can type in 3 or 2. After that is done, you can just go over and type in comma and you can sort it out, which is usually false for exact match. So you can type in false or true. After that, you can close the bracket and you can just go over and hit enter, and it will give you the return value. But usually it gives you values. So right now you can see it's 67. You can just go over and look out for your value available here like this. So type in this formula, which is VLOOKUP. After that, your search key, and then your range, and then your index, and then whether it's sorted, usually false for the exact match. You can just go and enter it up and it should give you the value that you're looking for. You can follow up the same process for this one as well. You can just go over and type in the value, VLOOKUP, search key, range, index, and is sorted. After that, just go over and hit enter and it will give you the value. And there we go. And you can even just go over and drag and drop and see if it gives you the value that you're looking for. And that's it. If the value is not found, VLOOKUP returns an A or I feather. So you can just go over and look out for it. In VLOOKUP, always search for the first column of the range. If you want to search by column that is not the first, you can rearrange the table or use the index plus match and use false for exact match to avoid wrong results. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.